Hi, my name is Felicia, and this is Kelsey's new puppy, Daisy. And today we're going to talk about Shasta Daisies for the kickoff of Perennial Planting Month. Isn't she cute? We have a lot of varieties of Shasta Daisies here at the ranch because we love them. This one is called Sweet Daisy Rebecca, and it has really pretty kind of shredded coconut foliage. They are prized for their exceptionally long bloom time. So they'll bloom from spring all the way into fall, and each individual bloom lasts a long time too. Every variety gets a slightly different height, but they're all gonna fill in nicely and give you this nice little bushy kind of mounded looking plant. This variety is called Snowcap, and it's just got a single layer of petals, more of that classic daisy look. This one is called Victorian Secret, and it has that classic daisy look, but also it's got double, maybe triple petals. Very pretty. This variety is called Real Tiny Bubbles. This flower is not fully developed. They have these super tiny little baby petals, and this variety is called Goldfinch. It's a really beautiful buttery yellow with fringed petals. There are plenty more to choose from when you come visit us here at the ranch. They are currently down by the Unicorn, so come in, ask us for directions if you can't find them, and we're happy to help you pick out the perfect variety for your area.